In this video, we'll continue with the presentation of the drawing tools and present you the Bezier drawing tool. You can start creating Bezier shapes either using its icon on the Tools toolbar or by pressing the Shift and F5 shortcut keys. The icon is located in this group of drawing tools. If the icon is not visible, you can click and hold to reveal all tools and move the mouse cursor to select the freehand tool. The tool is automatically activated. Click once on the working area to set the starting node. Now a preview line appears from the starting point and follows the cursor. If you click once again, a line is added starting from the first defined point to the second. A new line begins from the second point. This way you can continue added connected lines. In case you want to add a curve, then click and drag to set a node and adjust the curvature of the previous segment. You can easily combine straight and curved segments with Bezier tool. The tool creates straight lines unless you click and drag to adjust the curvature. You can immediately notice the difference between them. Straight lines have this square sign, while the curved nodes have this circle sign. To delete the last inserted node, just press the backspace key. All points are connected until you right-click to finalize the part. If you right-click, the Bezier shapes remain active and you can continue creating more objects. Have in mind that while the tool is active, you can continue from any added point. If you want to continue an existing shape, point your mouse over a starting or ending point and you will see the cursor changing. When you right-click once, the Bezier tool is still active and you can continue creating other parts. To release the tool, right-click a second time. Otherwise, you continue with the same object. At this point, the initial part is not finalized yet, so if you create another part, it will belong to the same object. Now, let's right-click once more to finalize this task. As you can see, objects have connection stitches, so they are embroidered together. Now you can create a separate object. If you connect that starting point with the ending point, you can create a closed shape. Now here is a tip. If you create any part on top of the previously created closed shape, then the new part will be a hole on top of the previous one. Finally, while using any of the shape tools, there are some keyboard shortcuts that provide visual assistance. Hold the Control key down and guidelines appear on every 22.5 degrees. Your drawing automatically snaps on the closest guideline. Hold the Alt key pressed down and an axis will appear that snaps on any visible measurement unit of the ruler. Finally, holding the Shift key down while adding a node, you can move the inserted node to any point you like.